Build quality functional strength with these 25 push-up variations anybody can do inside of your house right now.
But you gotta focus.
Potentially going to be struggling with any of these variations? Feel free to spread your legs, the spread leg variation. This helps spread your weight out, making it a little bit easier. Now I'm sorry to do this, guys, but if that's too hard, you gotta just do it. Get down on the knees, alright? Knee push-ups. You can use either of these techniques in the upcoming variations if you need additional assistance or just want to make them easier so you can get more reps. Starting out right with old regular. Arms about shoulder width, keep the core tight, body straight, all the way down, all the way up. Squeeze the chest, triceps. Make sure you have a nice solid grip on the ground. Alright, moving on with the incline push-up. Doing a push-up up on a chair, table, bench, helps hit the lower chest, also makes the push-up a little bit easier. Alright, the decline push-up. Focuses a little bit more on the upper chest and is a little bit harder than the incline push-up just because of the weight distribution. Whoa, hold up, you see that? The triangle right there? The diamond push-up. Alright, bring your hands together, also known as the narrow grip, close grip push-up, whatever you want to call it. I feel like this focuses more on the inner chest. That's just me maybe because a lot of people claim it works more the triceps. Alright, the wide grip push-ups. Watch the elbows, try to keep them tucked in so you don't impinge a shoulder. I feel like this works more the front delts and the outer chest. Alright, some basic explosive push-ups for developing power. The trusty clap push-up. How about the spring push-up? Great for developing explosiveness and power. Be sure you get your basic stuff down because we're about to move on to some more complicated animalistic stuff. Let's do it. We're gonna be kicking. Alternate arm, alternate leg. In addition to the chest, triceps, this hits the glutes and the post delts. Alright, mountain climber squeeze push-ups really helps work the core and helps work stabilizing the arms. Squeeze the core. Bonus! Combine the donkey reaches with the mountain climb crunches. Extra stability, core, post delts, and glutes. Alright, getting more functional. Spidey push-ups. On the descent, bring the leg in. This really helps work hip mobility and hip control in addition to the push-up muscles. Yo, check this out. Alternating b-boy push-ups. Help build strength for them air chairs. Yeah, that's right, I know. Plank ups. Core stability and patience. Yeah, it's important. Go soft on the elbows. You don't want to get elbow bursitis, trust me. Ugh. Oh, getting freaky. Crawling push-ups. I like these guys. Usually helps to have a bigger space, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Just remember, opposite arm, opposite leg. These are phenomenal for body awareness, core stability, arm strength, pretty much everything. Functionality, very, very good. Alright, now these are for one thing and one thing very important, showing off. Fingertip push-ups. Just make sure your fingers don't break. Cool, they work a little bit of grip strength too. Alright, speaking of showing off, one-handed push-ups. Look at, I had to spread my legs for these because, you know, they're hard. You can't do one-handed push-ups? I've got some push-up variations that'll help you get your one-handed push-up. The side slides. Alright, side to the slide, or slide to the side. This is an absolutely great exercise for developing strength for one-handed push-ups. Strength and coordination. Alright, here's another one. Ball switch push-ups. Another great exercise for developing strength and coordination for one-handed push-ups. And it's also kind of fun. Don't have a ball? Shit, use your water bottle. Good form, guys, good form. I'm starting to slack, come on. Always be sure to do both arms. Remember that. Poppy jump switch wide to narrow push-ups. Also great for developing strength and explosiveness for one-handed push-ups. Alright, let's take a pause with some pause push-ups. Helps develop muscular strength and control. Harder than it looks. Alright, now some more alt grip push-ups, the fist push-ups. Alright, fist down. Helps keep the wrist neutral. Don't like that? Well, you can use some dumbbells, something to grip on. Works great. Oh, little bonus, do a little dumbbell row at the end of the push-up. Help the back. Whoa, getting funky, the reverse grip push-up. This helps hit the front delt, upper chest a little bit more, and a little bit of the long head of the bicep, just a wee bit. Basketball, soccer ball, volleyball, medicine ball, yoga ball push-ups. Helps work stability. My favorite, cheating push-ups. That's right, no, this actually has function. Helps work core flexibility. Yeah, believe it or not, it's kind of a yoga-y move. Great for a cool down. Speaking of yoga, how about side to sides? Really try to keep the core tight, really helps work stability in all segments of the body. That was quite the workout making this video. If you guys are interested in a more complete bodyweight training program, check out Bodyweight Beast, onlykindsfitness.com. 12-week calisthenics training program that's bodyweight only. Tons of positive feedback on this. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn those notifications on. More videos coming out. Peace. You all have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.